Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how I fixed the little red lightning bolt or volt bolt that's on the dash of this 2007 Chrysler Pacifica. This has the 4.0 V6. If this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. So I think I have video of it. If I do, I'll put it here. It's the little red lightning bolt on the dash, and the car was in limp mode. Couldn't go over like 20 miles an hour, had no power, and I was getting two codes, which were P2111 and P2101, which are basically circuit open fault codes. I had this vehicle that I got this vehicle, and the previous owner had changed the throttle body. The throttle body in here is new. See, it's got a new battery. Both of those are common fixes to the little red volt dash thing, the little red lightning bolt. But none of those were working for me. I thought maybe I had a bad throttle body. I bought a new one, put it in there, still nothing. And so what I ended up finding to fix it is I jacked the car up, took the tire off, removed the splash guard, and got in here to where the ECU is. And there is a little hose that comes out of the windshield washer reservoir that runs right by the wiring harness, and had rubbed a hole in the wire that goes to the throttle body, one of the wires anyway, and had corroded away, and it was completely gone. I soldered in a little splice, put in a new wire, boom, problem solved. So hopefully this will help you out. That's a good spot to look, right down there by the ECU. And then another good spot to look would be, this was actually the first place I looked. So I actually took this wiring harness and opened it up down there to where it goes into the main harness. I didn't find anything there though, but I could see the same colors of the wires here. I believe it was this blue with green wire that was actually had the problem. Down at the ECU where it had a hole rubbed right in it. So hopefully this video is helpful to you. If it is, smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below, and thank you for watching.